Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharifah Sharfina with NIM 2024-3252 from Class B Information System Major. In this video, I will explain to you about web scraping on the website quotes.toscrape.com to automatically collect quote data and save it into CSV file. First step is preparing the libraries. The first step was preparing the Python libraries. I use request to send HTTP request and retrieve the website content. Next, I use Beautiful Soup from the BS4 library to read and extract data. Finally, I use Pandas to organize the collected data into table and save it as CSV file. Next step is initial setup. I create base URL of the website, then I create empty list called result to store all collected data. Finally, I set the page number to start from page 1. This initialization prepares the program before the scraping process begins. Next step is automatic data collection. After initialization, the program start collecting data automatically using while-true looping. I use this loop because I didn't know the total number of pages in advance. The loop continued until the program detected that there was no more data to collect data. First step is creating dynamic URLs. Inside the loop, the program automatically generates page URLs, for example, page 1, page 2, page 3, and so on. Next step is checking the website response. Next, the program checks the HTTP status code. If the response was not 200, the program stops immediately. This prevents error when the website cannot be accessed. Next step is checking empty page. The program also checks whether the page still contains quote data. If no quote box were found, the loop stops automatically because all available data had already been collected. Next step is extracting the required data. The next step was extracting useful information from each quote. The program collected only 3 pieces of information. First is quote text, second author, and third is text. And next step is solving the pagination problem. During the first test, I found a problem. The program continued reading page even after the last page. To solve this problem, I add a next button validation. The program checked whether the next button still existed. If the button disappeared, the program understood that it had reached the last page and stopped automatically. This made the scraping process more efficient. Next step is display the result. After the loop finished, the collected data was converted into Pandas data frame. The program displayed the first 10 records. In total, the program successfully collected 100 quotes from 10 pages. And for the last step is saving the data into CSV. Finally, the data frame was exported into CSV file named dataquotes.csv. This CSV file contains all quote text, authors, and text in a structured format. This file can be used for further data analysis. And for the conclusion, this practicum helped me understand the complete web scraping process. I think it's enough from me. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.